Hello again, this is Jazzy Restorations again. I'm gonna be doing a refreshment or makeover of this dresser, and it has quite a few drawers. As you can see, it has about, let's see, about 8 drawers. I'm gonna be refreshing it to revive it again so it can be used again, but I'm thinking I'm gonna paint it white. So as you can see, this is how it looks right now, and I'm gonna remove all the hardware and then start painting it and getting it ready. Alright, so see you in a little bit. I'm gonna be removing the hardware first and then prepping it like a light sanding, and then start painting it. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna start with. So now the next step is to sand them lightly. Now that I took off all the hardware, sand them lightly so the paint sticks to the wood. So I decided to go white on it. This is the paint that I'm using. Mix it before I start painting. Guys, so what I decided, I'm gonna stain the top with this stain. It's a chalkboard stain that I'm gonna use, but like you see, I tried it here and I like the finished look of it, so this is what I'm gonna do on the top, so it has that farmhouse style dresser. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay guys, this is the end project, the dresser that you saw earlier. Now this is the end result. I cleaned up the knobs. Like I told you, you can clean them yourself when you get an old dresser like I did, and just polish it up with water diluted with vinegar and a little bit of baking soda, and just soak them, and I got them to shine again. So this is the end result of the dresser, and it came out really good. I modernized it. It looks like it got a good makeover, so you can use it all over again in the house. It's just like getting a new dresser. And this is the end result. So it's all jazzed up. As you can see, it came out good. And next, I'll see you on the next project. This is the end. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and click the like button, thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Enjoy and try your best. Doing it yourself is not as bad as you think. It's easier than you think it is. As you see, I am finished with this project. So see you on the next one.